Hello, man. Open Minecraft Man, and as you can see, we're back at snoring. I hate this game.
It's so hard.
It's fun, but it's annoying because now I am at this most impossible level ever. This one. Yep. Just hit. Wow. Is that literally all it took? Now tell me, zebra, owl, penguin? I was just gonna say, just hit the elephant, but like mid-sentence, it hits the elephant, and I'm like, okay. Ah, no. What was that? Okay.
Owl and pig. What is That's just my wake up scene. It's almost night. Oh no.
Ah, you meanie cow. How am I even supposed to do this anyways? Okay. Yay! I did it! Like, as weird as it is, that's actually pretty good. For once. For once in a time. Yay! Thank you, penguin! And giraffe, and zebra, and pig. And pretty much every animal that helped. Oh no! Come back! I know your time is not over. You know what?
I'm still snowing too.
Nathan, you don't need to mention that. Nathan, you don't need to mention it. It's fine. Nathan, just stop. Yeah, get killed by a dead giraffe. Wow. Okay. Oh wait, no, I didn't mean to do that. That's actually pretty simple. I messed up the first time, but I mean, actually, too bad. Wasn't too bad. Okay, that's actually like really awesome. I'm not even joking with you. It's actually pretty sick. Except for when it messes up like that. There we go. Yeah, you headbutt that elephant with the ears. Actually, yeah, okay, I was gonna say, how does that... No, pig! What is wrong with you, pig? Okay, are you kidding me? Nothing to see here. Are you kidding me? Wow. Just wow. Wow. Yay. No! I hate elephants. I clicked him! I clicked him. Ah! Oh, no. No. Yes! Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? That literally just happened. That literally just happened. I failed, but then I got revived, and then I did it. Wow. Wow. Oh, uh-oh. Ah! Ah, I'm gonna die. Yeah, you just did. You just
Die what you want, and you die what you want.
Wait, what?
Me!
Oh, yeah. Yeah, now tell me what you want, what you really, really want. Hey, tell me what you want. Hey, no, that's not fair. I mean, it's sort of fair, but it doesn't seem that fair. So, I mean, it's not really fair. So, I mean, penguin!
What happened to you, penguin? You don't have to, like, run too backwards, like, and you get far.
Ethan, you can creep me out. No, penguin! Stop! We're seven levels away from victory. Do you really want to stop now? No.
Uh-oh.
I hate penguins.
I love penguins.
Hate penguins confirmed.
I love penguins. They do. They eat fish.
No, stop! I hate penguins. Penguins, just wither and die. I don't care what you... Penguins? Accio cow. Accio cow! Accio cow! Accio cow. Accio cow. Accio cow! Accio's cow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 1, 2, 3.
Avocados are not a veggie. They're a fruit. Confirmed. I hate penguins. I hate them. Don't you? Don't you just hate penguins? When they just decide to kill themselves? Okay.
You better run. You better run, cow. Or you're going to be bad boy, cow. And your mom.
I am going to stab a penguin. Not really, because that would be actually really violent.
The penguin will kill you. And poke you.
It is confirmed. It is confirmed that I hate penguins now. this to someone? Who just tortures someone like they're just like their own little voodoo doll? Okay, and this part is really annoying. Hating penguins confirmed. I ain't going to. Okay. It's already 10 minutes. Okay. I'm going to pause this until I get the thinking done. Boom! There you go, guys. I finally did it. What is wrong with this? What is, okay, I'm just ending it here. Okay. Okay, so my name is Opie Minecraft Man. Please make sure to leave a like. So hit the subscribe button. I will see you all later. Have an amazing day. Goodbye. I was gonna end the video with my mouse.